also fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So
What will you do right now?
nothing is special.
Okay. Okay.
And you, what are you doing now?
Actually, I am also nothing to do, but I am try to understanding you. Now I am free. That's time you call me and I call you. Let's talk to each other with this application.
Okay, Joe, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, because I think today you stay in your home because today is
Yeah. Yeah.
holiday.
It's
So,
my holiday. It's my
yes.
holiday, and that's why I am here. And I am just ready to talk with you. I'm really again happy because you spend time with me, because you are also busy. I am also busy, but we are learner. That is why we are spend our time. Then
Okay.
again ask you, can you tell me yourself? Can you tell me about yourself? That is better for me.
Okay, I tell you right.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Sandeep and I am from India. And in India, I live in Madhya Pradesh. I am
Okay.
student BTech. I am student
Oh,
BTech, and it is my
okay.
second year from computer science.
Mm-hmm.
Like okay, and
Okay.
it's like sufficient.
Okay. Thank you. Then I am also tell you. I am also tell myself. I am uh, from West Bengal, India, and my name is Kaiser Alam. You know about me, and that's why I again tell you my name is Kaiser Alam, and uh, I am also learner to learning this skill because it's need for me. Even you also need. That's why you are also talk with me. That is really goodness for our talking purpose. And can you share me what types of learning process we do in future that is better for our communication skill? Great way.
Okay, my point of view, like because nowadays I am also try to learn English. So my point of view, like first of all, you need practice. Like if you want to improve English, so
Mhm.
like you should do lots of practice. If you will do lots of practice, so definitely you will speak so much
Okay.
because English is a language. Like not only English, but also if you want to learn any other language, so also there you need to practice. Like if you will do lots of practice, so definitely you will speak. And like in our country, my perspective, I realize that in our country there are people they want to learn anything like with the
Mhm.
help of theory, but it is not sufficient to learn any things. But if you want to learn anything, so you need to do practically, like practice. Like if you will do practice, so like if you will do practice, so you will realize that yes, like which type of difficulty you face. So
Okay.
maybe good way to learn anything, and not only English but also everything. Do practice as much as you can. Do
Yeah.
practice, so definitely you will improve yourself like as soon as possible. So my point of view, like practice. And for English, so I will tell you uh, for English what we should do for improve English. So like first of all, we need to follow any newspaper, English newspaper. Like there are in our country there are two and three
Okay.
good newspaper available, like the Hindu, Times of India, and the
Okay.
Express. So you should go for any one newspaper, and there you will try to read newspaper every day. Per day 1 hour is sufficient to you. And apart from reading, like you
Okay.
should try to watch like English movies, or not only
Okay.
movies. If you have interest in any other
Subtitle.
things, yeah. So you should watch subtitles also. It is also very well. And like it's because if we want to speak English, so not only we need to speak only, like we need to
Okay.
very good understanding about English. Like when I speak, so
Okay.
like if you have very good knowledge about listening, so it is very good for you, because conversation is not only mean speaking, it is also mean listening. Like how
Okay.
many we observe. So in this region,
Yeah.
we should improve our listening, we should improve our learning, and we should improve our writing. So
Okay.
sufficient to like speak English, not only speak English but very effective speak English. This type of activity is very neat. So my
Okay.
perspective, two and three activities if we should do, so definitely we can speak English so much, and like as soon as possible. But in that, my perspective, because it's a language and it's not our mother tongue, so like
Okay.
we should
Okay.
try to we should try to like make our consistency in our. I realize that some people they start like speaking
Mhm.
English, but sometimes
Yeah.
they quit out like
Yes.
they feel
Yes. Yes.
laziness and they feel boredness. So in this region, if you start your preparation, so you should try to for like follow every day and try to like read every day. So consistency. So after 2 and 3 days you will realize you will realize like effectiveness in yourself. So in this region
Yeah.
only there one
Exactly.
way is that practice and consistency. So definitely everybody
Yes.
can speak English and as soon as possible. So my perspective only this, it is sufficient to learn any language.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, of course, of course. We do sufficient. We do continuous our learning English. That is really better for us because we are when we consistent any work, then we are do everything any work. Then we definitely achieve our success. It's really possible, and that's why we are here. We are learning English. We definitely talk fluent in future. I don't know what take time, but maybe in future I will talk and you will talk with anyone to fluent. And this is really good for our communication, and we definitely find new way to learning way.
And like through this conversation I also want to suggest another like other people
Okay.
what they should do. So first of all, you know that because when we talk English, so because it is our not mother tongue, so when we start our preparation, so there we do lots of mistake like grammatical mistake and
Okay.
some like vocabulary mistake also we should do.
Yeah.
So in this region you try to escape your mistakes and try to only like if you will do mistake, so after that you will try to realize and after that you will do only improve this,
Okay.
not not hurts like in our country. I realize that lots of people they want to speak English, they mistake, so they realize that yeah, it is not good and they quit it. Not like you do mistake and after then you will try to improve only. So it is good
Okay.
way, but not try to quit it because it
Yeah.
is because I know some people they want, but they
Yes.
start
Yes. Yes.
very well start,
Exactly.
and but after some time they realize that yes, it is not possible for me and they quit
Yeah.
out. So
Yeah.
in this my perspective, do mistake. I mean, as much as
No.
can you do
No matter.
mistake, do
Yeah.
no matter there, no any matter, but you try to speak so much. So
Mm.
definitely you will realize and automatically you will understand what types of
What type
mistake
of
we do
problem you
and
face?
where
Yeah.
we improvement. So it
Yeah.
is the good for
Yeah.
other people also.
Yes, exactly, exactly. When we do mistake, then after that we realize we are making mistake. But after that
Yes.
we are consistent on that way. That is really need for our communication because we mistake. After that we realize. But suppose we are start our journey. After that we think I am making mistake with grammar portion. Then we don't start our journey. But when we start our communication, when we start our journey to speaking way, then after that we make mistake, no problem. But we realize that time, yes, I am making mistake this point, then we definitely work on it. It's really neat. And yes, and after that it's working. When you start your journey in speaking English, it's your problem, it's my problem, we make mistake. It's there is no question for us because we are all human being, also make something mistake. When we start our journey, every work we do, we make
Mhm.
mistake.
It's compulsory like okay, because I know like I also passed from this step in my initial days when I tried to
Okay.
speak English. So there I also did lots of mistake and today I
Yes.
also do lots of mistake, but I only try to realize my mistake and after then I will try to improve. So it is a good way
Yes. Yes.
because as a beginner and mistake very compulsory, but it does not mean that you can't speak English. No, if you will spend some time, so definitely you will improve yourself as much as you can do. So in this
Yeah.
region, don't try to underestimate yourself and
Yes.
every
Yes.
time overestimate yourself. So it is the good
Yes.
way, and
Okay.
every time you feel like confidence from
Yes.
yourself
Yes.
and think that yes, I can do it. So definitely you can do it because
Yes.
our thinking is also very matter. Like if we think that yes, it is possible for us, so definitely it is possible for us.
Yes,
But if
yes,
we think that it is not possible for us, so definitely you can try every much, but it is not possible for you because your mind is not working so much, and your mind is not convinced yourself. So first of all, change your mindset, and after that you will try to do
yeah,
everything.
yeah,
So
exactly.
definitely will do, because I
Yeah,
realize sometimes like without mind I try to do so, but I
mm,
don't do this. So but after then, like when I change my mindset, so after then I do it. So in this
mm,
region, first of all change our mindset, and after then we will
okay,
do, we should go for other work. So definitely we do very well. So it's my
yeah,
point of view and my experience. I have no much experience, but
okay,
my,
okay, no matter. But you already told me everything that is good for our communication and good for our audience also who
yes,
watch our video, that maybe they are thinking, yes, they are also make mistake, they are thinking is differently, why we can't, we also do mistake, no problem, we start
mm,
our journey to talking English. This is really neat for our upcoming generation, because we are start our journey means upcoming generation also start that journey. It's neat for not only in India, every all whole world people are think, yes, it's neat for our communication.
yes, okay. And I also wonder, like, because in our country the big mistake is that every person they speak English for impression, not for expression, because English
Yes,
just a
yes,
language, like our mother tongue, like your mother tongue is Bengali, my mother tongue is Hindi. So when we
yeah,
talk, so when we speak our mother tongue, so there we not realize sameness and shyness, because
yes,
and
yes,
in our mother tongue we so like we do lots of mistake, but
mm,
we don't try to like know our mistakes because it is our
mm-hmm.
mother tongue. But in
Yes,
but we don't
yes,
do in English, like when we speak English, so there we try to speak so much like and without any mistake, like it is not
yes,
our
yes,
mother tongue.
exactly.
Because we want to speak English but not for expression, only for impression. So it is
Yes,
very
yes,
bad things, like you speak English and you speak accurate English, so it is also very good for you. But
mm-hmm.
if by chance if you do some mistakes, so like
Happen.
for this type of mistakes, and I only try to improve it, but
Yeah,
not try to hurt yourself, like oh my god, I do mistake and I am not
yeah, yeah,
better, and I am not better than other people. No, it is
okay,
not true. It's just a
yeah,
language, like
yeah,
and every mistake is forgettable in English also. So
yes,
do mistake, and without any
yes,
hesitation you do mistake, so
yeah,
definitely you will improve
yes,
yourself. And
yeah. That's why we definitely uh, uh, go our far away for English language, learning way. We think we definitely go better place in English spoken way. And
yes, you're right.
yeah, and definitely, what happened in our future, I don't know. Even you don't know. You are learning, I am learning, and you are studying, I am also studying. That is really need for our, you know, communication and need for our country also. We need to speak and study. That is really good. Really, upcoming generation in India also need to better communication person, better learning person, better study person. That is really neat, and
Yes, you're right.
that's why we are practicing in English, and we are feel comfortable now. We are feel comfortable. We are don't hesitation with each other, because we are start our journey maybe 5 or 6 months ago. That is
Okay.
why, yeah, and we can do we everything we can do. It is our as a language, nothing to it's not hard work, but we are practicing daily, then it's definitely working. It's
Okay.
reality. It's if you want to any suggestion, any work we do, it's better for our communication, then you can tell me, no problem.
No, like
Okay.
it's sufficient. Like I also told you, like only reading, writing, and speaking and watching. I think if you will do this type of activities, so definitely you will improve your English. But
Yeah.
another thing through this conversation, I want to tell you other people, like like what is the importance of English in our country also, like in another country, so they are speak English much important, but in our country, like if you want to go other state in our country, so it is also very important for us, like you live in West Bengal, I live in Madhya Pradesh, and your mother tongue is Bengali, my
Yeah,
mother tongue is
yeah,
my mother tongue is Hindi. So you know that
Yeah.
because like if I will come in West Bengal and so
Mm-hmm.
like speak best Bengali, it is very difficult to me because
Yes.
I
Yes.
in my life I never learn about Bengali, so it is difficult for me. And
Of
but you know
course.
that
Of
because
course.
English,
Mm-hmm.
because you know that but English, because I also learn English, you also learn English your school,
Yes.
and I also learn English in my career. So like in this region also, like if we do other if we go other state, so for
Mm-hmm.
conversation English also very important. Like if I will come in West Bengal, so if I
Yes. Yes.
can't is and if I can't speak English, so it is very difficult
Yes.
to me to
Yes.
convert
And
conversation with yours with you. So maybe
yes.
in this region
Not
it is
not
also.
only me, on all of the
Yes.
people.
So,
Yes.
so my point only is that, like in English is not only important for our career growth.
Mm-hmm.
It is also very important for our conversation. Like
Yeah.
our personal life, it is also very important. So in this region,
Yes.
like our purpose is not only for learn English, not only for career growth, but also our personal growth. Also, it is very important for us. So
Yes.
there,
Yes.
like purpose is also very important. Like what is our purpose? If our purpose is so
Yes.
good, we should speak English so like as soon as possible. But our purpose is not so good, so they are like it is not good for us. So first of all, you decide your purpose, and
Yes.
you decide to why you should speak English and what is the importance of English in your life. So definitely you will speak English, because you know that before 2 months when I started my preparation,
Okay.
there I couldn't speak English, not only a single word. But I in that time I had good purpose, and I knew what my purpose. So in that
Mm-hmm.
reason I only try to focus in my purpose. And nowadays I have been
Yes.
speaking English, and only for purpose, because I know very well what is my purpose.
Yes.
So purpose
Yes.
is also very important for us to do
Yes.
every do anything. So
Yes.
definitely, like,
Exactly. I appreciate your thought, because I am also think like you, because everyone should purpose. Without purpose, we can't do anything.
yes, that's
We
correct.
must need to purpose. Without purpose, we are doing something, but that is not valuable. It is not valuable, because when we work, any work we do with without purpose, we are not we are nothing. We are nothing. But after that, when we start our journey, after that, after 1 or 2 months later, we quit. But when you get purpose, then you definitely work hard. There is problem, no problem. There is problem, but you can do. This is your ability. You have purpose.
Like what is the importance of purpose? Like if you have your destination, like where you want to go, so
Yeah.
definitely you will reach it. But if you will not destination, and if you will not purpose, so how you can reach it? No, it is
Yes.
not possible for you, because you don't know what is your destination. So first of all, you need your destination, and after then, like it not matter that how many time you spend for reach your goal,
Mhm.
and for reach your
Yes.
purpose, and for reach your destination. But
Yes.
you need only consistency and purpose. So only two things you need to learn: English, and not only English, it is also apply in another things, like
Okay.
in
Yeah.
every
Yeah.
field, in every work.
Okay.
There are only two
But
things.
yes, also, but we are learning. We are motivate everyone to learn this skill. Everyone, we uh, inspire everyone, because we are learning, because everyone can learn this skill. Then our motivation is uh, go with English. That is we are working, and that is our
Yes.
perspective to talking purpose. And maybe in future, everyone watch our video, and after that they are realize, yes, they can do, then everyone can do.
And like with the help of this platform and this conversation, I also want to people,
Mm-hmm.
because in our country I realize that there's some people think that because they studied in governments, like government school,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
like regional medium. Like I live in
Yeah.
India, I live in
Mm-hmm.
Madhya Pradesh. My medium when I studied my 12th class, so there my medium was Hindi medium. So in
Mm-hmm.
that time I thought I couldn't speak English. Why? Because I thought that's because my medium is Hindi medium. So in that
Yes.
reason, but I think my maybe because it is not only my problem. It is
Mm-hmm.
also from lots of people. So through this conversation, I want to tell other people like
Okay.
don't think that if your medium is your regional medium, so you can't
Mm-hmm.
speak English. No, it is not. It is not
Possible.
like
Think like that.
their yes, their medium is not matter. You need
Yeah.
only motivation and you need only practice. So try and try now. Still you try and you do mistake and only you try and evaluate yourself day by day. So
Yeah.
definitely after some time you realize that yes you will evaluate yourself very
Yes.
much
Yes.
in decision.
Exactly. Exactly.
And you don't think that your medium is not helpful for you to learn English. No, your medium is also helpful because every people like I study in my 12th class, so there I also face English as a subject. I don't say
Mm-hmm.
that I faced as a language, but I faced
Mm-hmm.
like in that time I wrote in English and I read
Mm-hmm.
English also. So in this
Okay.
region your medium is not matter, your speaking purpose. So
Mm-hmm.
without you try
Hesitation.
only
Yeah.
because
Definitely. 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 We again talk to each other. Again meet to each other when we get fluent about English purpose. That is my motive. Is we can talk only English. Our talking thing is not other way. We are just talking English. That is our motive, and we definitely meet again.
okay okay
What happened? Let's talk another time.
yeah
We
why
maybe
not? No, it's sufficient and okay.
yeah.
And my perspective like for lastly I want to tell you for you and only not only for you, for other people like my perspective like because we talk and we I think because we talk everything about English, not only
Okay.
English, everything. So
Yeah.
please other people they should follow these activities for improve
Mm-hmm.
your for improve themselves. So it
Mm-hmm.
is good like you know that because when we talk each other, so where we did lots of mistake also, but there our purpose is not that like we for speaking each other. No, we want to recognize other people that yes, when we speak each other, when we speak in English, so why they
Mm-hmm.
can't speak English, they also can speak English. So
Yeah.
please other people they don't think that we our like our speaking purpose is only to speak each other. It is also for example for other people they also can speak English, not
Yeah.
only
Yeah.
not good because our English is not so good, like our level is not so good, your level
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
my level, but there
Yeah.
our purpose is only to
Motivate us.
recognize other people, not
Yeah.
only not only speak English or not improve other people English. This is only for example for other people to speak English. So
Yeah.
on
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Exactly.
okay, so bye bro, take care and goodbye.
Yes. Bye. Again, talk to you.
Yes,
We will talk to later when we are free. Definitely, no problem. I definitely, upload this video with my channel. If uh, if you don't think like that, I'm not, just like I am showing our audience that is our
definitely.
potential we can do, then everyone can do.
Yes, it's
Okay.
also. I also want to do this. That's yes. I want to represent myself in front of other people. They want to improve English, but they
Okay.
due regarding to the due reason they can't speak English. So it is good
Mm-hmm.
example for people, and when they will watch our videos, so they
Mm-hmm.
will realize that yes, it is possible for them. So they
Yes.
also can they also try to speak English. So it is very useful for other people, and
Mm-hmm.
so I totally agree with you. And you should upload this video in YouTube. So it is
Okay.
also very useful for the people. Okay, so bye and take care and good day. Okay, bye.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.